How to use Telegram's dark mode. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you want to enable dark mode on Telegram, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's get started. You can open up the Telegram app on your mobile device first, and once you open it up, you can look out for the menu icon in the top left corner, the three horizontal lines. Once you go ahead and tap on it, you may look out for the settings option from the given options, and go ahead and tap on it. And once you access your Telegram settings, what you may do is look out for the chat settings from the given options and go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on chat settings here, you will be finding different color theme and an option called switching to night mode. So you may go ahead and look out for the option called switch to night mode and go ahead and tap on it from the given menu option available. And once you confirm it up, it will be switched to dark mode on your Telegram. And that's it. That will enable the night mode on your Telegram. If you want to switch to day mode, you can select the option, and that should enable the dark mode on your Telegram. And if you want to switch it back to a normal mode like day mode, you can select the option called switch to day mode. And once you confirm it up, it will switch to day mode. Apart from that, you can select different themes for your chats available. That will basically go ahead and enable different themes available on your chat settings. And that's it. Apart from that, what you can do is you can even set it as default, like if you have enabled the dark mode or light mode on your own device's settings. For that, open up your settings and go over to display and select the option for dark mode. It will enable dark mode for you and also for Telegram by default. Or if you've selected light mode, it will select light mode by default for your Telegram. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to use Telegram's dark mode, this is the method available. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.